This is my unboxing video for the Apple Watch Ultra. I got this in the titanium black. Got everything really nicely wrapped. Let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. All right. That's how it comes. They give you this nice little packet about the watch. Now let's see how simple this is. Just gonna pull these tabs down. Beautiful as always. Ooh. Nice little charger there. MagSafe, of course. There we have it. It's powering on. And you gotta love opening brand new things. Okay, shows you how to install this. More instructions on how to get everything paired. There's a little pull tab. Things pretty self-explanatory so far. Just send it through. Just following the pictures. This feels very light, by the way. Take off more of the packaging here before we continue on. Wow. Gotta love how simple that is. Now, I heard people saying that they had some issues about sliding this through. As you can tell, look at that. Where you really had to bend it to kind of make it get through there. So It's my first-hand experience. Do you have to kind of do that or not? What if you go from the opposite angle? I see what they're talking about. Not too much, and it clicks right in. Okay. So I wouldn't be too aggressive with it. But there you have it. Full assembly from start to finish. And from here, you have to pull both of these, not just one, to get it out. Both at the same time. Okay. Then you can apply this onto your wrist. Do some minor adjustments. And you'll be wearing this in no time. Alright guys, that's my unboxing video for the new Titanium Black Ultra 2.